Renewing your vehicle license in South Africa doesn't have to take hours. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it online via enatis, quickly and correctly. Hey everyone, if you're tired of standing in long queues just to renew your vehicle license, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to renew your vehicle license online in South Africa using the enatis website. Step by step, let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure you have the following ready: your South African ID number, your vehicle registration number, a valid email address and cell phone number, and a debit or credit card for payment. You'll also need internet access and about 10 minutes of your time. Open your browser and go to enatis.gov.za. This is the official enatis website, so make sure you're on the correct page to avoid scams. If you're using the site for the first time, click on Register and create an account using your ID number and personal details. If you already have an account, simply log in using your username and password. Once logged in, look for the option that says Vehicle License Renewal and click on it. The system will display vehicles registered under your ID. Select the vehicle you want to renew and double-check all the details, including registration number, vehicle description, expiry date. If everything looks correct, click Proceed. You can have it delivered to your home or work address. Delivery usually takes a few working days and comes with an extra fee. Next, you'll be taken to the payment page. Pay using your credit or debit card. Once payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email and reference number. You can track your license disc online using your reference number. Quick tips before you go. Renew before your license expires to avoid penalties. You can still renew online up to 21 days after expiry, but penalties may apply. Always keep your receipt or confirmation email. And that's it. You've successfully renewed your vehicle license online. No queues, no stress. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks renewal means standing in line all day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.